You guys. All right, how are we looking here? Good, not great. It's all right, hair's a little wild today. Oh. I don't know, man. Okay. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're a first timer. Thank you for watching. I'm so excited for today because I got a bunch of new palettes from Ulta and they're super colorful. They're completely something new for me. I never really wear fun colors. I'm stuck between two palettes. One palette is this amazing, beautiful purple palette from Juvia's. It's called the Violets by Juvia's. Look at that, so pretty. This is the Carli Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. It looks like this. And then the inside, hold this brush down, this is what it looks like. I mean, those are just gorgeous colors. I love the sparkle in some of them. This color right here in particular is really just caught my eye. Oh, it's so pretty. I don't know. You know what? I think I'm gonna do a wearable purple eye. I think that's what I'm gonna go for because I feel like the purples is what I'm drawn to today. I'm gonna start with the Kylie Skin Toner, Milk Toner. I like this, especially before makeup, because I feel like it does a nice job of kind of giving my skin a good little cleanse, but it doesn't feel like it's drying me out at all. I'm so unorganized, you guys. Hold on. Sorry, I just realized I didn't have my setting spray. I'm gonna go in with just this moisturizer. It's nothing special. It's just a plain old moisturizer from CVS. My skin has been pretty actually moisturized for the most part. I don't know if it's because I have time to kind of take care of my skin a little bit more. I did a Charlotte Tilbury face mask last night and it's so nice. Like, it really does help hydrate the skin. And then, you know what it do. I'm gonna do this Hourglass primer, Veil Mineral Primer with that SPF sunscreen. Last night I was looking online at the Pat McGrath foundation and concealer, and I'm really thinking that I might hit it. Next, I'm gonna go on with the Soap Brow. Come on, there we go. Sometimes I like to do like an English accent when I do my makeup. I don't know why. OMG, freaking hair. Spray, some setting spray in there. Okay, what's up? Zoom you in here for this eyebrow. Ish. My fake eyelashes are coming off. I literally have that like that meme or post that's going on about like what people are gonna look like when the quarantine's over, and I am living it. But you know what? I'm counting my blessings. That's like not a problem at all. So I'm putting this, oh my gosh. Hair is like my enemy today. It's making me feel frustrated. So I just comb this back through like the opposite way of my hairs, and I just find that it kind of like gets them coated better. I like to let this really sit, and that way the wax or whatever it is like dries, and I just can shape my eyebrows that much better. I'm gonna do something that I usually don't do. I'm going to actually start with concealer on my eye. I don't know, I just feel like I need to, oh, I also washed all my brushes yesterday. I wanna have like a really nice clean base. Feels odd for me, but I feel like when you're doing a color, yes. Oh my God, that is scary. I look frightening right now. Excuse me. Oh, all right. Now I'm gonna go in with some powder. Just some powder just to dry, or just to, I don't know, kind of create a nice base. I'm not using a lot, but just so the concealer is kind of there and we are good. And I think it just creates a nice base for the shadow. I am 110% not ready. I'm gonna go in with this purple shade right here from the Juvia's palette. I'm gonna go in with this MAC brush because it's fluffy enough, but it is also compact. This brush is so old, I cannot even read what kind it is. There we go. Nice, looks like pretty good pigment. Hey, all right, I'm back. Okay, I'm gonna, here we go. All right, okay. I'm patting, or applying this all over. What I really want for this eye is I want that like really pretty kind of like lilac wash. I'm gonna go in with this brush right here. There we go, yes. I'm trying to film a video. People need to stop yelling. Okay. I'm really feeling kind of extra Scorpio today. I'm just really gonna work this color in a bunch and then I will diffuse it after, but I wanna have like a really nice solid base. So I'm just taking a clean brush and kind of diffusing the edges. I feel like it pulls out a lot of colors that I don't want emphasized on my face. Like, I think that's why I feel really funny wearing this, because I feel like it's really accentuating like the purpley tones that I have in my skin, and that makes me it makes me feel worried. I just want to get myself looking like a little bit more put together, so I'm going in with my Tarte Shapetape. Chin, and I like to do like right up there. Yes. I'm using the Expert Face Brush from Real Techniques to blend this out. Can't say that I feel all that confident right now, like just with that purple eye on. And again, these things, you know, they take time. We will get there and it will be beautiful. Like, I already feel just a little bit better. I'm gonna take a deep breath. Okay, Real Techniques Deluxe Crease Brush. And I'm going in with this because I feel like I just need a little extra help. So I also forgot that I got a new foundation. It's nothing fancy. It's the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte in 104 Golden Beige. Looks like this. Very like loose, liquidy. Okay. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Blending this in with that same Real Techniques. Okay. Yeah. This is nice. Yes. Okay. Again, I'm nervous, but it's gonna be fine. I'm going in with that same purple. I'm actually gonna go underneath. I'm using the same brush I was using before. And I just feel like when you do an eye like this, like I kind of said for the top, it has to be like a little bit bigger in the sense, and what I mean by that is like, I feel like it needs to kind of like, I brought it up over my crease. I'm bringing it down low underneath my eye. You know what, you can always conceal and fix. I'm gonna go back in and I'm going to blend. I see a lot of like spots where the eyeshadow is not even, like it's almost a little patchy. I feel like if I had used maybe like a white pencil, like some kind of white base or something, that would have been helpful. I'm actually gonna go back in with the same color and I'm gonna take it on this fluffy brush and I'm actually just going to diffuse some more of this product. And this purple, this darker purple from the Zulu by Juvia's. I'm gonna add a little of it like right in here. And I'm gonna go back in with this Morphe fluffy brush. This is the white brush I've been using. It's a 518. And I'm not gonna put any product on it. I'm just gonna use it as is, and I'm gonna blend this purple. This darker purple. I am gonna throw some like just in the little, right here on the outside corner, just to kind of tie that part of the eye in. I'm gonna squeeze that same Morphe brush so it's kind of like a fan shape. I'm just kind of brushing that out and blending it up. Now what I'm going to do is add sparkle. I'm gonna go in using this purple. I'm going in with actually the Anastasia brush that I got. I'm actually gonna pat this over this part of the eye. Yes. I'm gonna go in with this color called Mandala from the Anastasia palette right here. And I'm gonna put this in the inner corner. I'm going to take this color, OA. I don't know what that's supposed to say. OA from the Carli Bible palette, and this is gonna be our emphasis right here. Also bring that like right under here. I'm gonna use the other side of that brush, by the way, to blend out a little bit. I'm getting a lot of fallout from it, from the Carli Bible Anastasia palette. And I'm actually gonna take my flat brush that I started with, and I'm gonna take this, and I'm actually going to pat some of this color right over, just to really give a nice highlight. And I'm gonna bring that down. So I'm gonna go in with some concealer. This will just really help with the shape. So that's the eye. I like it. I do really wanna powder this and keep it looking really neat. I am going to do my eyebrows next. Dip Brow Pomade. I use this in the color Granite. And shout out to Carmen who does my eyelashes. I will put her Instagram below, which she is the reason I have this extra spoolie right now. Appreciate you. Cool, okay, so my eyebrows look a little nuts right now. I'm gonna clean them up with a little bit of concealer. What I am gonna do is take my fluffy brush and just kind of re-diffuse this. It is time to do some face Gigi Gorgeous bronzer. And I really want this to be like a all over look. So I'm using a bigger brush. I'm using the Real Techniques 400 blush brush. It looks like this. I'm gonna do a little bit of a nose contour. You know I love my nose contour. This is the Sephora Pro Airbrush Concealer, but I'm using it right now to do this powder. I'm gonna take this powder contour brush actually from Real Techniques. Looks like that, and I'm just gonna use that to diffuse this. And then I'm gonna take my blush from this Malibu Lorac palette, Malibu Free Spirit. I'm gonna take this blush color called Morning Surf, and then while I'm here, we're gonna use this highlighter color as well. Okay, and then some highlighter. I'm gonna be using this Bobbi Brown brush. This is an eye blender brush. This is called Afternoon Rosé. And then I love to do the nose highlight. Okay. Hello. Eyeliner. All right, dolls, you ready? So this is LA Girl. You see it? Neon Shockwave. Neon Shockwave eyeliner. I just wanted to do like a little bit more emphasis on the edge of my eye. Like that's all this is really for in this look. Carmen, don't be mad. I don't know if I'm allowed to do this, but I'm gonna do it. Curl my eyelashes here. I'm gonna put some mascara on. I'm using the Marc Jacob's Velvet Noir. Am I forgetting? Oh, lips. Duh. So I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips. I'm gonna actually tap around like that. And then I'm gonna take Gen Nude Too Legit by Bare Minerals. And after I put that on, I love also the gloss with this. And I'm just gonna diffuse this as well. You guys, I actually am so happy with the way this turned out. It's so pretty. And you know what? I'm gonna say it. I think my eyes look really bright and pretty. Friends, that's it. That's the purple eye. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, wait. Yes. Oh my goodness. I have to say, I'm so excited. When I started and I put that first purple shade down, I did not think that I was going to be into this at all. I was not expecting it to work out, but I'm so happy with how it came out. And I feel like my eyes are just alive right now. Like, I do feel like the purple looks really, really pretty. And I think this look could be absolutely gorgeous on really any eye color. All right, guys, I'm gonna go enjoy this look. Thank you for watching. I will have everything linked down below. I hope you are all doing well, you're all safe, and I wish you all of the best. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.